Today I finally got my package for the most typical thing that everybody gets. That's right, mud flaps from Rokblokz. And I guess this is what it comes with.
So it comes with a little sticker. That's cool. In white. Comes with a instruction. Pretty easy, simple. Also comes with a little thank you note. Alright, let me open this up. Hopefully, kind of hard to do it with one hand. Alright, boom, boom, boom. There it is. Oh, I thought this was stickers, but I guess it's not stickers, it's just painted on it. I thought it was vinyl. But there we go. Everyone's complaining actually that this is too stiff, but it's actually pretty bendy.
Look at the mess. This is from one day in the winter after a car wash. This is one day. This is all salt, and this salt is so bad for your car. I don't know if this is gonna help, but this is my excuse to buy these mud flaps. I went with these guys because they're cheaper than O'Reilly Armor, and I like their design better. And I like how it's stiffer. And hopefully after I get a car wash, I'm gonna do a before and after of how much salt actually gets splashed onto the car after I install the mud flaps. Look at the side too. Salt all over the car. Okay, so the little screwdriver doesn't seem to fit in here, and I can't take off the screws. And instead of taking all the wheels out, I'm just gonna be a lazy guy and take a drill bit. I think this might work better actually. Take this drill bit and a clamp or pliers, anything. And there we go, I'm just gonna turn it like this. First one's in, looking pretty sweet. Back one's pretty simple too. Take these two OEM screws out, put the spacer behind, which will fit right in like this. The spacer will fit right in like this, and you want the back side, you want the logo facing backwards. Damn, and voila! Ooh, sweet! That looks beautiful. Let's check out this side. Damn! Now that you're done with your little easy peasy job, you eat the candy that they provided you with and reward yourself, because you deserved it. Oh, and also don't forget to post your little mud flaps online on your Instagram. Tag them out, give them some love, because this looks fucking fire.